So, hey y'all. I start eating before this started because, I'm hungry. Anyway, hello y'all. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm up here just to chill, just to eat. Now that we talking. So, on that being said, Colossal Nathan, Colossal, sauerkraut, ketchup, mustard, the New York way. Ain't no other way. Half of it is already going. And I have a bowl of hot wings. I'm going to pray one more time in front of y'all. Amen. And this is really good. Hope y'all doing well. Follow me on YouTube. She talk a lot. Instagram, Scrub Me Edible. Scrub Me Edible, darling. Now I'm going to tell you right now. This big old ring is giving real. It's giving life. Excuse me. I'm all right. I chew a lot more sexy, I promise. I'm so hungry right now. The sexy went out the window.